Hey everybody, welcome back to Boost Your Income with Bootstrap to WordPress. In this lecture, we are going to download WordPress. Okay, I thought before we get into any super heavy-duty WordPress stuff, I want to keep this intro lecture so simple. It's probably the easiest lecture you're ever going to do with me. Navigate to wordpress.org/download. Click on Download WordPress. In my case, I have 4.0. That's what we're going to be using for this course. If yours is later, feel free to use the newest version. If you are a risk taker, you might come across some bugs as we go through the development. If you want to start off a little easier, I've included in the Download WordPress B folder in the course files, WordPress 4.0. Feel free to use that during the duration of this course while we're building the site, but afterwards, immediately upgrade to the future version that you might see at this point, and then do some debugging. All right, so there's WordPress, or you could just download it right here. Make sure it downloaded properly. There we go. I've got it. It's right there. That's all. See you in the next lecture.